In today's video, we will actually try to test DeepSeek and we'll see how effective it is for our PLC programmers, DCS and SCADA engineers. We will give some interesting scenario to DeepSeek and we'll see how effective it is. Without further ado, I will directly get into the interface of our DeepSeek. Bring up one scenario here. Let's say we are working on a PLC system and input and output module is not behaving as expected. The sensor seems to be sending the data, but the PLC is not reacting. It's like communication link is broken, but we are not sure where is the problem. See how effective it is. The first suggestion that DeepSeek is saying right now is to verify power supply. That's correct, that we have to ensure input and output modules, powers, obviously, that every module is receiving the power supply and the voltage, correct voltage. Check for any blown fuses, that's a very good tip, or tripped circuit breakers. Again, so far so good. Confirm that the PLC and I/O modules are properly grounded. Again, that's an effective way to troubleshoot that kind of a scenario. But so far it's going amazingly well. The second thing is check physical connections. Inspect the wiring between sensors, I/O modules and PLCs. Great. Look for loose connections, damaged cables or incorrect wiring. That's an effective way. Verify the sensors are properly connected to the correct terminals on I/O modules. Great. Confirm. Now the next step is confirm module status. It's doing amazing so far. Check the status LEDs on I/O modules. Power LEDs should be on if module is receiving power. Communication LEDs should indicate active communication with the PLCs. Yeah, that's amazing. That's good so far. I/O status LEDs should reflect the state of input and output. If LEDs are off or flashing abnormally, consult the module's manual for error codes. Again, good. So obviously error codes are different for different PLCs and we haven't specified is it a Siemens PLC or Allen Bradley, so the response is correct. The next step is review the PLC program. Ensure I/O modules in the program matches the physical module configuration. Verify the program is correctly reading the input and wiring to the output. Look for any logic that might be disabling or overriding the I/O modules or overriding the IOs. The next thing which is there is to test the sensors. Use multimeter or oscilloscope to check if the sensor